Ever found yourself struggling with the hassle of removing acrylic or dip nails at home? If you're like me, it can turn into a messy, time-consuming process that sometimes leaves your nails in worse condition than when you started. But what if there was a solution that made it faster, cleaner, and easier? Today, we're looking at the Willowash Electric Nail Soaking Bowl, a game changer for anyone who regularly wears acrylic or dip powder nails. This product promises to speed up your nail removal process by 50%, and it does all this from the comfort of your own home without the need for the traditional soak-off clips, foil, or cotton. Sounds promising, right? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to its claims. Now, before we jump into my experience, let's get some facts straight. The Willowash Nail Soaking Bowl is designed specifically for acrylic and dip nails. It works by heating acetone, which is key for breaking down those stubborn layers of fake nails. The kit comes complete with a manicure bowl, a warming plate, a lid, cuticle oil, 2 nail files, a gel scraper tool, and an instruction guide. It's like a mini nail salon in a box. The whole setup is designed to make your nail removal routine more efficient and less messy. Unlike traditional methods where you wrap your nails in foil or use soaking clips, the Willowash system allows you to soak your nails in a heated bowl, speeding up the process and avoiding the usual acetone drips and spills. It's also far less abrasive than scraping or prying off fake nails by hand, which can damage your natural nails over time. I've been using the Willowash Electric Nail Soaking Bowl for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been a pleasant surprise. The setup is super easy. You just plug in the warming plate, turn on the heat, and let it warm the acetone for about 5 to 10 minutes. While it's heating, you can clip your nails down a bit and file off the clear top coat, a step that really helps speed up the soaking process. Once the acetone's ready, you dip your nails in and let the magic happen. One of the things I appreciate the most about this product is how clean and controlled the process is. No more wrapping your nails in foil or dealing with cotton pads that fall apart. The Willowash system keeps everything contained in one space, and the included pad makes it super easy to rub your nails while soaking to break down the acrylic. It feels much more professional than the typical DIY removal, and I've definitely noticed less mess. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While it works wonderfully for acrylic and dip powder nails, it's not designed for gel nails. So if you're someone who uses gel polish, this product won't help with that. Additionally, while the heater speeds up the process, it doesn't quite make it instant. You'll still need to give it a bit of time to soak, but the 50% faster claim is definitely accurate. It does cut the usual removal time down. The pros? It's incredibly easy to use, much cleaner than traditional methods, and cuts down on the time and effort needed for fake nail removal. Plus, it's designed by a salon owner, which adds a layer of credibility to its effectiveness for at-home use. On the downside, if you're not a fan of soaking your nails in acetone for a while, this might not be the method for you. Also, because it's not for gel nails, it's a bit niche in that sense. So is this product worth it? If you regularly wear acrylics or dip powder nails and are tired of the mess and hassle of traditional removal methods, then absolutely. The Willowash Electric Nail Soaking Bowl does what it promises, and it does it well. It's not the cheapest option, but the convenience and time-saving factors make it a worthwhile investment, especially for those who frequently do their nails at home. If you're on the hunt for an easier way to remove acrylic and dip nails, this could be the solution you've been looking for. If the price tag feels a little too steep, there are more affordable options out there, but none that do quite the same job as efficiently. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the Willowash Nail Soaking Bowl, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out,